Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background in CapCut PC step by step. CapCut lets you remove the background from a video without using a green screen, making it easy to create professional-looking videos. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import the video you want to edit. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, click to select the video clip on the timeline. Then go to the video panel on the right side. Click on the Cutout tab. Next, turn on Auto Cutout. Wait a few moments while CapCut detects and removes the background automatically. Once the background has been removed, you can add a new background if you want. Simply import an image or video and place it on the track below your main video. Play the video to preview the result. If you're satisfied with the edit, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.